Best Camera for Kids for 2022. Hey guys, today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best camera for kids in the market. So if you're planning to buy one, then you're at the right place. Please do check out the description below to see all the featured products and their buy link. Let's get started. Number 1. VTech Kidizoom. The VTech Kidizoom Duo 5.0 is a camera designed by a toy brand rather than a conventional camera manufacturer. As such, it's built to both entertain young children and survives the inevitable abuse they'll inflict on it. Features such as dual viewfinders make it more intuitive to use for kids than a conventional camera, and the 2 rubberized, sculpted hand grips ensure even a preschooler can operate the Kidizoom with some degree of precision. Add fun effects like digital stickers, funky borders, and even a selection of basic computer games which a motion sensor in the camera can control, and you've got a camera that can keep even the most hyperactive little ones entertained for a surprisingly long time. The Kidizoom Duo stands out as a good camera for kids, but not really for its core camera technology, and this is predictably basic. But for its well thought out exterior, it feels more like a rugged underwater camera thanks to its almost entirely rubber-wrapped casing, which is bulbous enough to give even a 3-year-old a decent grip, while also protecting against some inevitable rough and tumble. The camera sensor is a 1/2.3-inch 5-megapixel chip, which sounds a bit pathetic by current camera standards. What's more, this isn't the only camera inside the Kidizoom Duo. There's also a rear-facing selfie snapper. Number 2. PROGRACE. This camera is sturdy and waterproof, and the attached accessories allow you to fix the camera on a bicycle, helmet, or other. It is an ideal sports camera for boys and girls for outdoor activities. It is the perfect gift for boys, girls on birthdays, holidays, and Christmas. Connect this kid's digital camera to PC via USB cable to transfer photos/videos or recharge the camera. Generally, it takes about 2.5 hours to be fully charged. This boy's camera with 5-megapixel high resolution supports face recognition, can automatically detect faces. You can adjust the brightness according to the shooting environment. This needs to be done manually. Enter the settings menu and select exposure to adjust. The toddler camera also supports time-lapse photography. You can choose to take a photo with a delay of 3/5/10 seconds. Offer kids more experience in shooting. Funny photo frames and filter. This kid's waterproof camera contains funny frames and filters. Enter the photo/video mode. Press the up-down button to switch 40 frames and 7 color video effects for you to choose. Number 3. SUZIYO. This digital toy camera for kids features a 2.4-inch IPS screen, providing a larger viewing angle and a more precise and realistic color for pictures and videos, avoiding visual fatigue and protecting kids' eyesight. It has 3 modes, 5 filters, 15 photo frame selections, which bring more fun for kids when taking photos and videos. This kid's camera is built with front and rear 1080p dual lens, more accessible for kids to take funny photos/videos and selfies. Record children's colorful childhood. This kid's game camera contains 4 games. These games help cultivate kids' reactive thinking and exercise their physical coordination. Appropriate games will help increase kids' response capability, especially when you want to correct your kids' over-reliance on mobile phones. Not only for taking photos, but also can make videos, record voice, burst shooting, delay capture, and playback when pictures are finished. This creative kids camera toy is excellent for cultivating children's creativity, imagination, curiosity, and perception. It is an excellent holiday, birthday, and Christmas gift for 3 to 10-year-old boys and girls. Number 4. Coolwill. Equipped with 12 million pixels and 1080p FHD, the Coolwill's kids camera is the real deal for 3 to 12-year-old boys and girls. The image and video output far exceed many among the competition in terms of quality, It has 3 distinct modes: the 12 photo frames, 4 filters, an autofocus shooting, burst shooting, and self-timer. You can select the time-lapse photography in 10 or 5 seconds. In the memory department, it boasts an impressive expendable capacity of 32 gigabytes. Other outstanding features include its portability and anti-drop construct, as well as the long-lasting battery life. It certainly makes a perfect gift for your kids, especially if you want to trigger the creative genius in them. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. The Fujifilm Mini 9 camera provides high-quality instant photos in over 90 seconds. The Instax 9 automatically determines the best brightness for taking pictures. It comes with a close-up lens attachment, and you can now check your selfie in the frame with the mirror next to the lens before snapping your photo. It is popular among all ages and loved by everyone. Instax Mini 9 is the #1 choice for gift giving. Instax photos have become common at parties and make for the perfect booth where one can snap a photo, develop it, and decorate in less than 5 minutes. Of course, you can spend hours making memorable collages and decorating your holiday tree. Have fun with it and let your creativity soar. Number 6. KeBuLe. This kid's camera for children is the best toy as a child's gift, and it has not only a photography function, but also a 1080p video record and several digital games options. As for boys, develop photography talent, even film talent by making video with digital games functions, enjoy playing time. As for girls, enjoy taking a selfie with sisters with a 2-inch HD IPS screen and record happy moments. Best birthday gift, Christmas gift, and for celebrations. The children camera is more than a kid toy. A digital camera with a large 32GB SD card that can store 5,000 pictures allows kids to shoot anywhere, anytime, without being worried about which to delete in case of lack of memory. They can also decorate their frame or favorite scene while taking photos. The kid's selfie camera comes with multi-functions such as digital games, selfie photo capture, real-time video recording, playback, time-lapse capture, date setting, time shot, 28 photo frames, and 4 kinds of filters. Kid cameras develop kids' imagination and creativity to realize their dream of a small photographer. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.